how to replace green screen in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this informative video, I'll be showing you how to replace green screen in CapCut. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your CapCut application. And once you're inside here, just click on new project and just import any one of your videos. So as you can see, I've already selected one videos. So I'll simply trim it to make it look shorter so that I can edit it faster. So once you do that, now all you got to do is just add your green screen video from over here. So let me just quickly add my green screen video. So now simply select the video just like this. So once you import the video, what you need to do is just click on this overlay button at the bottom and simply click on add overlay. And basically now just re-enter your, select your green screen video which you want to include in this particular video. And I'll simply select, make this video same length as the previous one. So once I do that, I'll just have to basically enlarge this to cover my entire screen, so you can do that accordingly. So now all you gotta do is just drag to select any color. So I'll simply click on this screen and simply increase or decrease the intensity according to your choice, and simply increase all of this option and simply click on done. And just like that, you have successfully removed your green screen video on CapCut using CapCut just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.